Hi, today we're talking about medical history order form. This is a simple medical history form which healthcare providers can use to collect the information about the patient's medical history during a medical or physical examination. So in this form, we have got a few details which can be again customizable as per the needs of the healthcare providers. We have got first name, last name, the age, the gender, the contact details, and all the medical conditions and other things which would be relevant to collect information form. So let me go ahead and quickly fill up these details and you can keep track of all the responses under this responses window. So I had earlier filled in some details over here. So let me quickly delete this and we're going to fill in new detail. So in order to fill in the details, simply go to the form builder, click on share form. This will give you the link for sharing this form with others. Click on copy form link, and once you expose this link to the user, that is the patient, they can fill in this form on their own. So I'm going to quickly fill in some details. So as you can see, I'm filling in some random details over here while we are recording this. So let's quickly fill it up. So I've filled in all the details that were relevant and let's click on submit. Once all the details are filled, let's click on submit and you can see the response has been submitted. And if you go back to the responses section of this form, you will be able to see that it has captured the response of the user. So this is how you can take help of this medical history order form to track the response from the patients and keep track of everything under one database. Besides this, I also want to highlight about a new tool, PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with both Google Sheet as well as Notion database for the source of database that gets captured onto on the PDF document. So you can generate bulk invoice documents or any other documents that you would need for your business or personal use cases. I've added a video demonstration at the bottom which you can check out of how you can utilize this exact tool to start generating documents for a use case. Besides this, if you have any queries, please reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com and I'll be happy to help you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.